Hi everyone, welcome to the IBOtoolbox training webinar. I'm Chris Karafotis. I'm going to be your host for the webinar. For those of you that are new to IBO, I want to welcome you to our community. Whether you're just getting started with IBOtoolbox or you're a veteran member, training is critical to your success. Over the next 30 to 45 minutes, I'm going to be going over information on how to utilize all these amazing tools and resources that you have at your fingertips. And I know this platform might seem a little overwhelming at first, but I promise you that if you just continue to attend these webinars and get the training that you need to succeed, you'll be up to speed before you know it. A couple of things that I want to go over before we get started with the webinar. If this is the first time that you're attending an IBOtoolbox training webinar, what I'm going to cover is an introduction to IBOtoolbox. I'm going to go over the basics, show you how to get started, show you how to get helper assistance. I'm also going to show you how to get extended training on IBO and its family of websites. And at the end of the webinar, I'm going to wrap it up and give you a credit coupon code worth 400 IBO credits that you can use to redeem for advertising on the platform. And let's face it, that's really why we're all here, right? We want to get that extra exposure for our business. And I got to tell you guys, you're in the absolute right place at the right time. You just need to know how to utilize all these tools that you have here. IBOtoolbox is a gold mine, and it's a safe haven environment for all of us to use. Really important. There's no bashing or negativity or anything like that going on at IBO. It's a safe haven environment that you are free to promote your business and your services to the community, as well as the visitors, the non-member traffic that comes in. And I'll go over a little bit more about that and how everything works. Okay, so first of all, what I want to do is just give you a little bit of background on myself. I have been here at IBO for 6 years now. I'm not an employee of IBOtoolbox. I'm a member just like each and every one of you. I love this platform. I love what it does for my business. And I really feel that training is really important for all of us to be successful, and it doesn't matter what you do in life, you need training. I've been in the network marketing industry for 16 years, and I know how hard it can be, or how difficult, especially if you're new to the internet or you're new to network marketing. I started this business completely offline and built a huge organization in the company that I was in, and I realized that what I did was not duplicatable for everyone. It worked for a lot of people and it worked very well for me, but I realized that I had to, figure out a couple of different things to help my team build their business. So I got on the internet and I had to figure out all of that stuff by myself. There wasn't a site like IBOtoolbox, and I didn't know anybody that was in internet marketing that could teach me. So I know exactly how you're feeling if you're feeling overwhelmed, because there's just so much out there, right? You don't know what's going to work. You don't know what's real. It's just a lot. You're probably on information overload, right? Well, my goal is to help you shorten that learning curve. So anyways, there's training on Wednesday nights, and it's a question and answer session. And I promise you that if you learn how to use this platform, it's going to work to your advantage. So just try and absorb as much as you can. There's a couple of resources that I'm going to give you that will help you with your training. Okay, so we've got the webinars on Wednesdays. It's a question and answer session. So please go ahead and start entering in your questions into the chat area so that I can answer them. The other resource that you have is we've got a help desk at IBO. That is accessible through the, through the site navigation menu, and you can get to the help desk. Okay, we also have a training site called marketwithchris.com, which is the official IBOtoolbox training platform. Okay, so to get to that site, you can do a couple of things. You can go down, scroll down to the right-hand side, and it's right here in this area. You can click right here, and that's going to take you to marketwithchris.com. Okay, when you, the other way that you can get there is you can go to my profile page, and click on this banner here. So when you get to marketwithchris.com, I've got a welcome video, and then you're just going to register for free. You're going to click on Gain Access Now and register. Your IBO Toolbox logins will not work. So I've got a little bit more about me, about the site, some testimonials, and then down here you can preview what's inside. So obviously we're going to focus on IBO Toolbox. So I have 42 lessons. Yeah, 42 lessons on IBO Toolbox, okay? So we've got Introduction to IBO Toolbox. We've got everything about your profile page. You know, how to complete your profile, customizing your profile front, adding business links, monetizing your profile, videos, adding videos, and your social networks, and a lesson about Club IBO. We've got IBO Toolbox, the basics. We learn how the account settings work, the on-track feature, posting a wall post, adding associates, how to send and reply to messages that you receive from your associates. And there's more. We've got the Credit Center, everything you wanted to know about credits, how they work, how you can purchase them, how you can earn them, and how you can earn free credits as well, and convert credits. All ads at IBO run from credits converted to impressions. So you need to know how that works. We've got IBO Toolbox advertising, how to create a listing ad and how to set up your banner advertising. We've got promotional links and graphics. You need to know where you can go to grab your links and graphics, like banner graphics and other graphics that you can put on a web page to promote IBO Toolbox, because the bigger this community gets, the better it's going to be for all of us, and the more traffic we'll all receive. So it's really important to build IBO Toolbox and help it grow. We've got IBO Toolbox apps, such as creating an IBO URL and a .NET alias. We've got how to use the IBO mobile app. We've got the SMS lookup tool, the third-party response magic autoresponder that you can hook up with your IBO Toolbox account, because you're going to generate leads. Leads are generated through your IBO URLs, through your IBO social profile page, and through referring members to IBO Toolbox. We also have the press release app. So you're definitely going to want to learn how to use that. We've got the other platforms, or the other family of websites, such as IBO Extra, IBO Banners, IBO Exchange, IBO Gigs, IBO List, IBO Tube, and the list keeps growing and growing. So there's a lot to learn. And again, I know it's overwhelming, but one of the great things about marketwithchris.com is as you watch these video tutorial lessons, you're going to earn IBO credits. So you can earn up to 2,250 credits. Now we also have lessons on rebrandable traffic. So that'll give you an extra 250 credits. So you definitely want to take advantage of this site and learn how this works, as well as attend these webinars, and you get 400 credits for attending the live webinar event, which I'll give you that credit coupon code at the end. So again, those are your resources. If you have issues, technical issues or whatever, you can always contact me here at Market with Chris. I've got a question area, and you've got my contact information. Once you log in, just click on contact, and that shoots me over an email, and I can help you out with whatever you need. We also have the help desk, so if you've got some sort of technical issues or something's not working right on the site, then you could submit a support ticket, and usually I'm the one that answers those tickets as well. So you got all the resources in front of you. You just need to know where to grab a hold of them and run. Okay, so let's get started with the webinar. So first of all, what is IBOtoolbox? IBOtoolbox is a free state-of-the-art marketing platform. It was specifically developed to give internet marketers the ability to promote their products and services on the internet. By using this powerful suite of tools properly, you're going to see short-term and long-term results from your efforts. IBOtoolbox is a constantly growing business building platform, and it protects its members in a safe haven environment for them to operate from. Now, you'd think that a platform of this magnitude would have a monthly cost associated with it, but guess what? IBOtoolbox is completely free. There are no levels, packages, enrollment fees, or anything like that. IBO is a 100% free platform that's not going to tell you to upgrade after you join, and all members of IBO have the same exact features and tools regardless of their financial situation. So what does IBOtoolbox do? Well, first of all, it works. You know, there's so many systems and tools out there that really don't work. They're really more about the hype with no return for using them. So whether you're a part-time or full-time internet marketer, you're going to quickly discover that IBOtoolbox doesn't hype it up, but rather it over-delivers on every aspect. At IBO, you're going to find the most targeted audience. IBO averages over 350,000 visitors each day, and they're looking for opportunities just like you to make some extra money. They're finding your products and services through the search engines based on the content that you put into IBO. Your press releases that you've written, your wall posts, they all get indexed, but it's really important to know who you're marketing to. 96% of that daily traffic is non-member traffic. Only 4% of the traffic is member traffic. So who are you marketing to? That non-member traffic, right? And how are they finding you? Well, they're finding you through the press releases that you've written, the wall posts, and the comments that you've written. So that's how they're finding you. So you've written a press release and someone's went to Google, Yahoo, or Bing, and they've entered in search terms that equal what you've written about in your press release. That's how they're finding you. So it's a really, really cool thing. So I don't know about you, but I am super duper excited about this, even after 6 years. So I want to show you how your stuff is seen. Okay, so when we're on the dashboard and you're posting, we all see that as members, right? But when we go out to the outside, such as the main IBOtoolbox site or your join pages, we are seeing the same thing. So if I refresh this, or the visitors, that 96% of the daily traffic is seeing the same thing. So kind of take an idea or get an idea how this is being seen. Okay, so we see this, 4% of the members see this, okay, or 4% of the daily traffic, which is member traffic, sees this. But if we go on the outside, look, it's the same thing. How cool is that? Now you can filter the wall to see what you want. Okay, all your wall posts, your associates, non-associates, press releases, top enrollers, traffic leaders, etc. And they can also do that out here as well on the outside. Okay, now the other place your stuff can be seen is not only on your IBO social profile page, on your social wall. This would be all of your posts and all of your comments to your posts, but also on the main IBO social hub, which is IBOsocial.com. So let's see. Oh, I thought I clicked on that, but it's going slow. Okay, so if we go to the main page here, right here. Okay, so lots and lots of eyeballs, and they can just start clicking on anything here to go and take a look. Todd has written this press release, How to Stop Being a Prisoner of Your Thoughts, or actually it's a video, so anyone can click here and watch the video. Once you get to the video, let's say you're not a member of IBOtoolbox, there's an area for Facebook comments, which are down here. Okay, so again, anyone can click on your name anywhere or on links and go and see what you're offering. Okay. The other thing is too, you've got recent people that have logged in. Okay, so if you click on their names, you've got member advertising. If it's a banner, you click on the banner, it goes direct to the target website. If you click on the member's name, it's going to go to their IBO social profile page. On the main IBO social profile, or the main IBOsocial.com, you've got the 10 most recent press releases. You've got the 10 most recent member videos. Okay, and again, you can feature this stuff. All right, so as you can hopefully start to see, there's a lot here and a lot of ways to be seen here at IBOtoolbox, not just on the inside, but also on the outside. Okay, so pretty much IBOtoolbox is a community of like-minded internet marketers just like yourself, and it was specifically developed for the internet marketer. Every feature, tool, widget, and app was developed to help you market your business. And the cool thing about IBO is that it allows you to build a business relationship with the other members and your visitors, because they can go to your profile and they can find out all about you, what businesses you're promoting. They can read your press releases. They can see your business links, backlinks. They can find out all about you. So it allows you to build that relationship with them. It allows you or them to get to know, like, and trust you. And you know what happens when that takes place? Then business follows that and it flows naturally. So there's no need for that pushy buy this or join me type of environment that really no one likes being around. When you offer value, then that's always going to open the door to opportunity, and then business will flow. Okay, so again, remember that IBOtoolbox is a safe haven. Negative comments are not allowed, and they will be removed. So it's really important, and that's a good thing for all of us, because there's a lot of members promoting different business opportunities, and it might not be my cup of tea, but it might be theirs, right? And so no negativity is allowed. Okay, so that's really important. I want you guys to all realize that wherever you go on IBOtoolbox. All right, so, excuse me. Let me take a look. I know there's a lot of questions already, so I want to get some of these answered. All right, so I'm going to go down to the bottom here. Okay, so the first one is on navigation bar, social profile link, also business link, how to change. Okay, that is right in your, okay, so if you, social profile link, okay, are you talking about your social networks? Okay, so everything is under edit profile. So if you click on edit profile, business links, you've got two areas for business links. You've got your business information, which is step 3. So let me just pull up my page again. So business information, step 3 is going to show up under my businesses links here. Okay. Business links, which was your other question, is step 6. Okay. Business links, backlinks, step 6. Whoops. That's going to show up on the right-hand side right here of your profile. Okay. Now, social promo, social profile link. Okay, so I'm thinking you're thinking IBO social profile. That shows up in your IBOtoolbox in your dashboard. Okay, for you, if you want to go, you can click on your name or you can click here. Okay, so these are where your IBO social profile links are. Okay, so obviously it's going to be ibosocial.com/whatever your username is. Okay, if you want to change your username, you're going to go to edit profile. Okay, but I would caution you on changing your username I'm sorry, not edit profile, edit account. I would caution you on that, because if you already have advertising going out and they go to your old profile username, it will say unknown account. Okay, so this is where you would change your username. All right, so hopefully that answered your question. If not, let me know. All right, I keep messing up. Okay, can you explain more about? Okay, for the person that has IBO Extra, okay, you need to look at the video that I've got over at Market with Chris. Okay, you say that you're receiving a daily email. I don't believe that you are. So I don't know who you're receiving that from. So IBO Extra is a exchange site. Okay, so you can put up your banner, and then your banner shows on different sites. So it's going to show, let's see, I'm trying to think of where it shows. It's going to show really almost anywhere throughout the family of websites, okay? So what's going to happen is, as you've got credits, either through getting visitors, if you've got your code running, your IBO Extra code running on a web page, then you're going to be getting visitors. Okay, you can set up IBO Extra to run on your profile page, which is under step 1. And there's also some different areas at IBO Extra. You want to use your user ID number -41 to get that started. Okay, so that's pretty much, I mean, it's just you're going to grab a code, you're going to put it on your website, and then you're also going to refer members to IBO Extra. That gets you more views, get your banner shown more times, etc. Okay, so it's an exchange site. All right, so hopefully that helps you. Okay, so you're putting on statistics. Okay, so your ad size 160 by 600 on your pages, you're getting 0 clicks, 0%. So that ad probably isn't running because you don't have enough credits to run it. Okay. Same thing with your 250 by 250. Okay, so my guess is you don't have enough credits. As you get more visitors, you're not running that your code on a web page, or you're not advertising. Okay, so again, you could set it up here to run on your IBO social profile page by putting your number in. Every time somebody sees an ad on your page, you'll get a credit, okay, or percentage. It's like each ad size is different, okay, and then you need so many to get your ad seen. Okay, watch the video. I think it will make a lot of sense. And then we've got, this ad's got 3 clicks but 0 click-through rate. Okay. Okay, that's a lot to put in there. All right. Let's see, the next one I have noticed the past couple of days. Okay, you got to be more specific when you're saying your credits are starting to disappear. It depends on what credits you're talking about. It takes credits to run banner and listing ads, okay? Credits converted to impressions. would really recommend that you watch the videos over at Market with Chris, because credits are separate over at IBO Extra. Credits are separate at IBOtoolbox. Rebrandable Traffic has its own credit system. IBO Exchange has their own credit system. Okay, so you're going to have to be a little bit more specific. Okay, so how do I put a banner ad on the right side? I'm thinking this area here, where to go to add the banner for download. Okay, so adding a banner or an ad is really simple. You want to go to My Advertising, under Site Navigation, and then you're going to create a new ad. Okay, on the right-hand side, that happens to be a 250 by 250 ad. So you simply click on that, and you're going to give it a friendly name, which is for your reference. You're going to give it a website link. This is the target website. This is where you want your visitors to go when they click on your ad. Next, you have a graphic URL. This is going to end in a .jpg or a .png or a .gif. This is where your banner image is hosted. Okay, so it's telling IBOtoolbox, go to this website to pull the graphic. Okay, every banner ad has to be hosted somewhere. You can check out IBO Banners, where you can make your own banner ads, or if you don't have hosting, you can definitely do that. So what it's going to look like is it's going to look like this. Here, let me pull up one that's already done here. 250 by 250. Okay. So this is one that I have for Lead Sleep. So this is a 250 by 250. It's really important that you get the right size. The website link, this is where I want people to go when they click on the banner. Okay? This graphic URL is where this banner is hosted. Okay, so see it ends in a .jpg. I happen to have this one hosted over at IBO Banners. Display speed, just leave it at default. If you want the right side over there, make sure IBOtoolbox right is checked. You have to have at least one display location checked. You can have all of them if you want. And then once you get done doing that, you need to save the ad. Now you can always preview your ad simply by clicking on preview. Okay, you can also click through to make sure that it's going to the right place. Okay, so really important. Now, if this is all too confusing for you, I can create a banner ad for you, set it up, activate it, transfer over credits and everything. Everything's included, and you just need to click on this banner here or visit my IBO social profile page. Okay, I have more than a 468 by 60 banner. I do the 250 by 250s, the 728 by 90s. I do customization for your IBO social profile page. So if that's too complicated, just come see me over at BizOp Banners. And if you want to do your own banners, IBO Banners is a great alternative. If you have banners from your company that you're promoting, just realize you need 2 links. And they should supply you with those 2 links. Okay, in lesson 16, you tell us what we will not get credit for doing. The PR from the wall. My question is, I get emails for the PRs. When I click on it from my email, do I get credit for doing the PR? No. You're just actually, if you have 5 or more stars, you get credit for commenting on a press release. Okay, so you don't just get credit for clicking on the link in an email or clicking on a link in the dashboard to go to a press release. You have to comment on that press release. Okay, and to find out more about that, in one of my lessons, I show you how to, or I tell you how, or walk you through how you can earn free credits. Okay, and one of those is commenting. But if you want to know, you just simply can visit the Credit Center, and earning credits. So it's right here, PR video commenting. If you have at least 5 stars, you earn 5 credits, or 10 for if you're an IBO contributor badge holder. Per press release or video comment, limit 1 per press release or video. No, you do not earn credits for clicking on the button where it says click here if somebody posts something. No, you do not. Again, it's all here. Okay, the next question is 2 months. I have never seen anyone comment from non-members. In other words, no evidence, anyone on the outside viewing anything I am doing. Well, you got to get yourself more out there then. You know, the more press releases that you write, share them on, you know, Facebook. They do go through IBO Social's Facebook page. They do get put out there, but you know, it takes a while, and the more that you participate in the dashboard, obviously the more you're going to be seen. You know, as I showed you earlier, your information's not only seen on the inside but also on the outside, so you got to be all over the place. You know, just really participate and offer a lot of value, and then people will start commenting. Okay, I have never wrote a press release. What can I write about? Okay, that's a great question. You know what? You can write about anything. You can write about your business. My suggestion would be your first press release would be to introduce you, get the members to know you. Read some of the other press releases, see what people are writing about. You can write about anything you want, okay, as long as it's not adult material, there's no profanity in it, and you know, it's good. Always think of adding value, you know, help people out. That's what I would recommend. But yes, you absolutely can write about your business, your affiliate site. You know, and a good thing to write about that is, you know, your results you're getting with your business, you know, how you're doing. Don't just copy and paste sales copy in there from your business opportunity. Be you, be real. You know, everyone's got this writer's block when they first start out, but the more you write, the better you'll get at it. Okay. How do I put a banner on IBO? Okay, I think I answered that. Is IBOtoolbox banned in Google? Absolutely not. Indexing? No, no, no. It gets really indexed very, very well. Your press releases, everything that you do gets indexed in Google very, very well. Google loves IBOtoolbox, I gotta tell you. Okay, I don't know anything about where you went or whatever, but no. Google IBOtoolbox ranks very high, and its family of websites ranks very, very high in Alexa ratings, so no. Okay, so the next question is, what do you charge to do the banners? Okay, so just visit my IBO social profile page, or you can click on, let's see, under my advertising, the right-hand side, that banner there. Anywhere from $15 to, you know, depending on what you want. Okay, so just starting at just $15 for 468 by 60. Okay, the bigger banners cost more. Okay, so you can just click here and it takes you right where you need to go. You can see my pricing. Why don't we see? Okay. Okay, you can't comment on the press release from the link here. You can go to, when you get an email saying click here to view the press release, so you would go to the press release. Here, I'm just going to go to one of mine real quick. Okay, so you go to the press release, and then to comment, you have to, it says, to comment on this press release, simply click on the owner's main post below. Okay, so it would be reply. Right under here, this main post, it would be reply. Then a box is going to open. That's where you would comment. In the email, it says to read this press release, click here. It's going to take you to the page where the press release is to read it. So as you scroll down, you will need to click on reply to comment. Remember, you have to have a minimum of 5 stars to earn credits. Okay, I have no idea. I did not mean credits for the impressions. I meant credits to get another star. Okay, credits and stars are 2 different things, okay? One way to learn how to get your stars is to go to On Track on the right-hand side of your dashboard. Okay, so, and actually this press release on how to achieve your IBO toolbox badges, these will give you you know, if you want to aim to get the Big Dog Award, the top roller, or the top IBO traffic leaders, or the contributor badge here. Okay, so but on IBO Toolbox on the right hand side, your IBO Toolbox On Track, if you click on each one of these, it's going to tell you what you need to do to achieve that star. So like press release comments, it's going to tell you down here what you need to do. Completing your profile, press release activity. These are when you're awarded a star if you posted a press release within the last 48 hours. If you haven't, you lose that star. Okay, so it's all about participating here at IBO. So just reference over here to your On Track. Is there a size stipulation on banner ads? Well, the sizes that you can run here at IBO Toolbox are 468 and the family of websites, okay? So you can run a 468. Here are the different sizes. You click on Create Ad. You got your text ad. You've got your banner ads, 468 by 60, 250 by 250, 728 by 90, and then you can also do a mobile version banner. Okay, and those are 300, I think, by 100, something like that. Yeah, 320 by 100. Okay, so those are the sizes that are available for you to run here on IBO and its family of websites. Okay, repeat. Okay, once again, you need 5 stars to get credits for commenting on a press release or video. Okay, again, visit the Credit Center for specifics. Response Magic is a third-party app that IBO Toolbox is partnered with. Okay, so to set up your Response Magic autoresponder, it doesn't go on your profile, it doesn't get listed or anything like that. What happens is you go to, let's see, where are we at? This one. Resources. Oh, wait. Wrong place. I knew after I clicked on that, that was the wrong place. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so IBO apps under site navigation. So if you haven't hooked up your IBOtoolbox account with Response Magic, it would say create an account. Okay, so basically what's going to happen is you get a free account at Response Magic. So every time you generate a lead through your IBO URLs, through referring others to IBOtoolbox, or through your IBO social profile pages to learn more, that lead will appear under the My Leads section of the site navigation here, and then a button will appear that you can send that lead to your Response Magic autoresponder. To get the ads modified. Right. If you're trying to run, and those banner ads are standard sizes. Okay. So if it's a completely different size, you're going to have to, it's not going to work. Okay. So you can either create one, have me create one for you, etc. It's hard to resize a completely or modify a size banner. Like this is a 250 by 250. I cannot resize this to a 468 by 60. It would be all distorted. Okay, it would look really ugly. So I think you get the idea. All right. Okay, perfect. We're out of time. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Thank you guys for coming to the webinar. I answered a lot of questions. Hopefully I was able to answer yours. If not, I really encourage you to go create an account at marketwithchris.com. Go through the lessons. If you've got questions there, just hit the contact button and I can help you. It's a great way to get better access to me. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go to the Credit Center, and I'm going to walk you through how to redeem the credit coupon code that I'm going to issue you. Now, this is super important because I get more questions about this, and it's really, really simple. You just have to follow some instructions. So everybody watch carefully what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so you're going to click on Redeem Coupon. Okay, so it says the Redeem Coupon system of IBOtoolbox requires members to click on a few member ads while using IBOtoolbox, as well as an ad on one of the following links prior to coupon redemption. In order to unlock the redemption tool and redeem your credits, please click and visit ads located on at least one of the following links. One of these links here. Okay, so I've been on IBO and I've clicked on these ads or whatever. If I go and try to check this box saying that I've participated and clicked on a few ads, it won't let me. Okay, so I have to go and click on one of these ads. So I'm going to go to IBO Banners, click on this IBObanners.com, this link. It's going to open it up in a new window, and I'm going to click on this ad here. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to IBOtoolbox, and it's now going to allow me to check that box. Okay. It's very, very simple. Okay. You have to click on one of these ads or one of these links in here. Okay. One or two. We'll do another one. Go to IBOtoolbox News, which is also a great place to get training as well, and you also get credits for reading it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. Okay, and I'm going to go back here. So as you can see, this is still open. So now I can enter in my daily credit code or, you know, the webinar credit code, and I can click on Redeem Coupon and it's going to enter, or it's going to process, okay? But it's really important. Again, one more time, you have to click on one of these links within the coupon redeemer or coupon code redeemer box to activate this, okay? All right, so let me give you the coupon credit code. Now, this is time sensitive, okay? So don't wait until tomorrow. Don't wait until next week. It will expire very quickly. So go do it now after I give it to you. Okay, so since you all know how to do it, shouldn't be any problems, right? Okay, so tonight's coupon is IBO Extreme. Okay. Oops. Wait a second. Hang on. That wasn't it. That's what I wrote down. All right. Give me a second. After all of that, it will work. Hang on. I just got to pause you guys for a second here. Oh, boy. Oh. Silly me. I wrote down what was the previous one. That was pretty silly. Okay. Okay. So the correct credit code is, let's try this again. IBO is great. There we go. There we go. IBO is great. All right, thank you guys for coming to the webinar. I'm going to have this up on YouTube probably tomorrow morning that you guys can go and review this webinar. And also I'll have a link up to register for next Wednesday's webinar. You guys have a great Wednesday. Go IBO.